my kitchen. Today I bring you a real quick recipe, something that you're going to have your dinner ready in 30 minutes. And it's easy to pair up with either rice or some baked potatoes, a side salad, and you're good to go. So let's get cooking. So I'm going to season my tenderloin with some salt, and I'm also using a mix of dry herbs. It's called French seasoning. It's a mixture of rosemary, thyme, sweet pepper, parsley, saffron, basil, and teragon. So into a hot pan, you're gonna add some butter, a little drizzle of olive oil, and some garlic, and you're gonna let it saute for a little bit. Then you go in with your meat. You want to sear the meat on both sides. I usually do this on high heat at first. After I've seared both sides, I let it cook 20 minutes in the pan in low heat. For the sauce, we're going to cut one onion. You don't have to use the whole onion, but because I like onions, I use the whole one. But you can just use the half. So you're going to add your onion to the pan you've just fried your meat, and you're going to let your onion caramelize. Add a cup of white wine. You don't have to do this if you want to leave it alcohol free, just skip the step. Add a cube of meat stock. And you're going to let it all caramelize and add some cream. Once you've taken your meat out, you want to let it rest so all the juices go back to its place. And as you can see, it's just tender once you cut into it. And in the end, just add that beautiful sauce on top. And it's ready. And there you go, you guys. Like I told you, 30 minutes and we're done. I hope you enjoyed our recipe today. I will leave you a link above for the tzatziki sauce that really goes well with this dish. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.